Every year at this time, I think about a highlight of my youth, the week spent each June at Grandma and Niece's in Pittsburgh. Swimming, biking, baseball were staples of that vacation, except for the summer 50 years ago, when an uninvited guest named Agnes left behind a statewide disaster that even today is unprecedented in scale and scope for Pennsylvania. This time of year, the main weather issues in the state tend to be increasing heat and humidity and the occasional severe thunderstorm. But in 1972, the first tropical storm of the season, Agnes, developed on June 16th just east of the Yucatan, headed north, became a hurricane in the Gulf. Agnes hit the Florida Panhandle on the 19th and quickly weakened over Georgia. But as it moved back over water, it re-strengthened into a tropical storm. But instead of heading out to sea, Agnes was pulled back west by the circulation of an approaching upper-level low. And as the two combined, the system slowed to a crawl, setting the stage for historic flooding. Most of the Commonwealth got more than half a foot of rain from June 20th to 24th. Only the extreme west and small areas of the northeast and southeast got less. The most rain, more than 10 inches, focused on the Susquehanna River Basin, from Tioga County south to the Maryland border. Some of the highest amounts, Williamsport got nearly 13 inches, more than 15.5 in York, and 18 inches plus at one spot in western Schuylkill County. The impact on communities near rivers and creeks was devastating, particularly in the eastern half of Pennsylvania. Every red dot here marks a place where the crest from Agnes is still the highest on record. 40 red dots in the state of Pennsylvania alone, including Jersey Shore, Williamsport, and Lewisburg on the west branch of the Susquehanna, and Towanda, Sunbury, Harrisburg, and Marietta on the main stem. Now, these blue dots mark places where Agnes is the second highest crest on record. That includes Wilkes-Barre along the main stem. In the Wyoming Valley, the river crested 19 feet above flood stage, topping the levees by 4 feet. In Luzerne County, more than 25,000 homes and businesses were damaged or destroyed, as 14 miles of streets were inundated and boats became the mode of travel. In Harrisburg, the Susquehanna exceeded flood stage by more than 15 feet, flooding the first floor of the governor's mansion and forcing Governor Shapp to evacuate by boat. Record high crests also occurred along the Schuylkill River at Reading and Pottstown, where the river rose 17 feet above flood stage. Only 4 to 5 inches of rain fell in Philadelphia, but the deluge upstream reached the city via the Schuylkill, flooding Boathouse Row and other low-lying areas in what remains the 5th highest crest on record there. With nearly 50 fatalities attributed to the storm and economic losses estimated at almost $3 billion, it's no wonder that Governor Shapp called Agnes Hurricane Agony. Stay tuned. The extended forecast is next.